Videoing, re-rolling. I hope so, because I don't want to do this again. Oh, I should be a vlogger. I look good on the camera. Cocky? Yeah, I know. It's hectic. It's weird not having, I'm trying not to look at myself. It's hectic.
Just because.
How you doing?
I want to vlog. Do I have to look at that thing?
No, you look right here. You look in the camera, babe.
So, I am writing an essay
perfect
for my
look, you
college
get paid.
class that I'm probably gonna fail.
And I'll let you go ahead and know that.
Food. So basically, there's like 20 something girls here. I'm gonna look at me go. I'm gonna do a dance for you. Look, I am. How do I focus? So you like the people wanting to dab it up, but they can't get enough from jealous now. But at least from my people. I'll sing. I am not photogenic, but hey, you know what? It's cool. It's fine. So, way too many. Can I do this? Yeah. State your name and your purpose of being here.
My name's Carlie. I'm an alcoholic.
All right, being here.
My name's Faith, and your mommy told me to come here.
I am a professional vlogger. Like, sign me up. Yeah, hey, mama.
You said I'm gonna try.
Okay. So, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, me too. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll be back. Alright, let's ask questions. What's your favorite color? Black. What's your favorite color? Yellow and black. Okay. What's your favorite show? Grey's Anatomy. What's your favorite show? Julie and the Phantoms. Yeah, not too good. Do ASMR. No, our hand makes me shake. Hey guys.
I'm not really good at this.
No, I don't know what to say. Story time.
One time, I got chased by a ghost.
A ghost.
Uh-huh.
What's your biggest fear?
Ladybugs
Mine's the dark.
and storms.
I love storm. Ever take a shower in the storm? Oh, it's great.
And I get struck by lightning.
Best thing ever.
Oh yeah. You ever been struck by lightning?
No, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, when?
A few weeks ago.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Me too. Ever just wanted to die?
Huh?
Ever just wanted to die?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Me too. All the time.
Yeah. Yeah. My legs crumbling.
Me too. Not really.
Hmm.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Really? Who?
His name's Ethan. We hang out all every day.
You got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
So what's her name?
Chloe.
Chloe?
Uh-huh.
Where's she at?
He's in the kitchen.
Me too.
You're in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's not even funny.
Where's she at? Chloe. Okay.
Chloe.
Okay. This is my sandwich.
Can we make
I mean, this is my burger. You gotta do the hand thing.
A thumbnail.
Yeah.
That's pretty good one.
Yeah.
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 Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Chloe.
Wait for vlogging.
Chloe.
I thought we did it at the same time. I was up.
Wait, she's stabbing you right now.
Who knows
Oh my god.
thing though?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not gonna hurt as bad if it's thin. Read out.
Oh. She just pierced your nose.
Bro, you got a whole needle in your nose.
Ready?
Dude.
Wait, you gotta link.
Why fall like that? That wasn't even that
My
hard.
ears ringing.
The blue one.
You got close the window now.
I had a smooth fuck.
You feel it? Is it just
I'm
like
still
spin?
videoing, my
You
bad.
can feel it.
Sorry, we're making Carlie.
Then you just pop it.
Hey, you want to try some jugs?
Chloe, shut up.
Oh wait.
Are you piercing your own nose?
No.
No.
Here. I won't tell anybody.
Don't snitch. Snitches get stitches. I'll come for you. That's what I thought.
Go get a hollow needle.
Not in her room.
Ma'am.
I love you.
Chloe, no, stop. Get up. Chloe, get up. Chloe, stop. Damn, get up. Chloe. She won't get up.
Stand up and I will walk down the stairs with you. Come
She
on.
tried to roll.
I want to roll.
And I tried to video it.
Chloe, there's a cat litter at the bottom.
That's what she said. Hey, if you fall, you're gonna hurt her knee.
Why is she in the way?